What's up, everybody? Today is oh, hold up, I forgot something. Okay, I'm back. Today I'm gonna be showing you these things. If you guys don't know what this is, it's you know the Littlest Pet Shop? This is actually, it's Littlest Pet Shop, it's a girl thing, but this is the Ugliest Pet Shop. It's ugly birds and stuff, and it makes noises. And then has a back, side, front. There's little ants crawling. Second is the dog. Now what's really cool about the dog is that when you open it, you can't open it. Oh yeah, the dogs are in here and the pets are in here. But yeah. And then it comes with poop. Ran over poop. But it's not real poop, just something like that. So then you put it in, and then you put this over. It's really hard to get it in. You have to put them in the center. Yeah, it's hard. Yeah, so it farts too. There's one where the dog poops and then he licks it up. Watch. See it here. Now, third one is a cat. Cat doesn't come with poop, but it is. That's really weird. So here's the sides that has holes on it. This one has mucus all over it and disgusting. Then so holes and then holes and then different. And do you know what's really cool? Like on the bird ones it has ants on the bottom. This one has a fish on it. This one has a bone. And all dogs have the bone ones. Oh, this one's cool. The fish. Holes on the top. And you guys can get these at the 99-cent store for $1.99. They tricked us. And here's another dog one. Alright, and stickers on it. And then so the poop is in here. It's one of the legendary ones. It's gold. Yeah. It's so hard. You have to put them like in the center. Oh, here's the dog. You can stack them on top of each other. I'm not going to do that. Now I have one more dog one. Now I have one poop for this one. Oh my god. Diarrhea. Disgusting. Oh my god, it kind of smells like poop. I'm not joking. And then chewing on toilet paper. Putting the poop right on top of his head. See? Hold up, let me close this. Alright guys, so that's what we had today. We had so we had the bird,